How to find cheap flights on Expedia. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to save money on your flights with Expedia by using discounts and simple strategies. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a link in the description below which will redirect you to Expedia and where you can get discounts. So make sure to check it out. So currently, I am in the Expedia website right here. So in here, you can choose on which kind of service you want to avail, like a stay. So in stays, you can get to stay in a hotel. Flights, you can book flights. Same goes with cars, packages, and things to do. So for this video, for example, I'll just book a flight. So when I go to the flights section right here, when I scroll down, as you can see that there are some last weekend deals right here and where you can have discounts. So for example, right here, like in this hotel right here, it will cost me around 1,405 Philippine pesos instead of 2,890. So you can check all of these out if you want to get like special discounts. So as you can see over here, 38% off. This one has 75% off, 35% off, and a lot more. So yeah, so you can definitely use this section if you want to check out the deals right here in Expedia. And then as you can see right here, there is a different kind of discount right here that has a member price. So when I click on this, you will only get this discount if you are a member in Expedia. So to get this discount, what you want to do is just simply sign up on Expedia to be a member. And then when I go to my profile right here and go to the members page, as you can see that you guys can also earn points right here when you are traveling. So as you can see right here, if you get like 10 trip elements, you'll be a silver member. And then if you get around like 25 trip elements, you'll be a gold member. So yeah, moving on, when I go to the top right here, as you can see, Expedia also has some deals right here that you can also take a look at. So as you can see right here, Expedia has a lot of deals right here that you can also avail. So all of these places right here that you can book are all discounted prices right here. So as you can see, some of the prices right here are 40% off, 25% off, and a lot more big discounts. So yeah, feel free to take advantage of these discounts right here since these are time limited. And of course, there also is a person limit. Okay, so to book a flight, it's pretty easy. So just go to flights right here. Then you can choose if it's a round trip, one way, or multi-city. So for example, I'll just choose round trip. Just choose the country and where you're leaving from. So for example, this one. Next, the place and where you're going to. For example, this one. And then just choose the dates on how long you're going to that country or place. Then you can also search or add how many travelers will be going on this flight. So yeah, and then you can also use these features right here, like adding a place to stay and adding a car. So once you're done, just simply click on search. And then here we are. So as you can see, we have a flight right here. So in here, you can search the flight details. And then there you go. You can also see the fares right here. And then if you want to book this flight, just simply click on select. And then you'll be redirected here. So in here, you'll get to see all the details of the flight that you've selected. So in here, for example, I'm going to Japan. So this one, it has a low fare. You'll also get to see your seat information right here, add bags. And at the right here is the price summary. So yeah, it's pretty cheap. So it's 12,000 Philippine pesos. So if you're going to like convert that, so 12K PHP to USD, as you can see, it's only around $212. So yeah, it's pretty cheap right here if you're gonna buy flights right here in Expedia. So yeah, again, if you want to avail for special discounts right here in Expedia, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So yeah, and then after that, that's pretty much it. So that's how you can save money on your flights with Expedia. So again, don't forget to check the link in the description to grab your Expedia discount and start planning your trip today. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.